What's up guys, today I'm going to be doing a Diablo tutorial how to do Cat's Cradle. I've had this Diablo for a couple of years now and I haven't really done anything on it. Today I have just got it out and I've just learned in a day how to do Cat's Cradle. So just had a shower, as you can see, my hair's all fluffy. And basically, I'm going to show you how to do Cat's Cradle. So, you want to get rolled out. There you go. So, basically, guys, you want to start, get some speed. And then you want to undo them, 2 knots or however you get speed. And then you want to cross them. Like that. Chuck it up. And do this. So hopefully that close. So get some speed. Do them. Cross 6. Do this. Do that. So then this is the motion how we do it. And you learn how to. That's just to show you. You don't need to actually Diablo. Just the motion. I'm going to show the motion. So get some speed. Again. So this one, your right hand, or underneath your left stick, like that. You cross it, then you go like this, then you go this, so like this one. The left hand, now the left stick goes under the right hand goes over, like that, and then you want to pull them apart. So like that, so close up. And then just do that in the 6th of pound. So like this. So cross like that. Go like that. Go like that. And then done. So I can show you again on Diablo. So like this. Some speed. To make 2 knots. Undo them 2 knots, cross it, do this. Oh, that bit, kind of failed, but right. So, I've just learnt it now. So like that, do 2 knots, make some speed, undo them, cross it 6, do this, up. And do this. Bit noise, but and then you are show some tricks for one day. So just make speed. Only 1 knot. I'm going to show you how to do it. Undo that knot, 1 knot. Sit like that and just grind it. I've learned this ages ago. So like this. I've done 2 knots that time. So just do this, do like that, so this one up, and then get a grind, and then if you don't know the basic, this is this one. Firstly, you need to learn how to do catch in the air, before we do Cat's Cradle, to do that. So, get it again. There we go. Get some speed. Yeah, did it. Just bring it. I just nearly done the actual. This that's my way of doing a catch wheel. But this is how I do it usually. This is another way. I've just done it. Make 2 hoops, and then whoopsie. That's what I was going to do next, but hey. If you like, click that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see ya. Bye.